Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran: فَمَنْ حَاجَّكَ فِيهِ مِنْ بَعْدِ مَا جَاءَكَ مِنَ الْعِلْمِ فَقُلْ تَعَالَوْا نَدْعُ أَبْنَاءَنَا وَأَبْنَاءَكُمْ وَنِسَاءَنَا وَنِسَاءَكُمْ وَأَنفُسَنَا وَأَنفُسَكُمْ ثم نبتهل فنجعل لعنة الله على الكاذبين. Translation: Then whoever dispute with you about him, Isa, after this knowledge has come to you, say to them, come, let us summon our sons and your sons, our women, and your women, ourselves and yourselves. Then let us earnestly pray to invoke the curse of Allah on those who are the liars. As mentioned before, 60 people from the area of Najran who were Christians came to meet Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and among them there were 14 people who were the leaders. Among them there was a person whose name was Ayham, and he was called Sayyid, and he was their scholar. The other person was Abu Haritha, and he was their pope, and another person was Aqib, that was their leader. Abu Harsa, who was the pope, was originally an Arab, but he became Christian, and the Romans gave him lots of possession and wealth, and he identified Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as he read the Gospel and the Torah, but he denied and rejected Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam because he was thinking that if he accepts Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as the final messenger and accepts Islam, Romans will take away his position and wealth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that if these Christians of Najran are not understanding and not accepting after you have explained the whole situation clearly and still they are denying the truth, then invite them towards Mubahala. Mubahala was a special prayer that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded, and it was like that you call, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, your women and your children, and you come yourself and you tell them to bring their children and women, and they also come themselves, and then sincerely you all together pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that whoever is a liar should get the curse of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam invited them for Mubahala, they said, "O Abul Qasim sallallahu alaihi wasallam, give us some time and we will think about it and let you know." In the morning they came, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had Hazrat Hussein in his lap, and he was holding the hand of Hazrat Hassan, and Hazrat Sayyida Fatima radiallahu ta'ala anha was coming behind him, and Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu was also coming, and he was there, and he said that whenever I pray you just say Ameen. And the Christians of Najran, Pope Abu Harsa saw that, and he said, "Oh Christian, I am seeing the faces, and these faces, if they ask Allah that move the whole mountain from its place, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will do that, so do not do the Mubahala. Otherwise you will all be killed, and there will not a single Christian on the face of birth." And then he said, "Oh Abu Qasim sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we will not do Mubahala. You stay on your deen and we will stay on our religion." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that if you are not doing Mubahala, then accept Islam. They said, "No, we will not do that." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that then we will have a battle among ourselves. He said that no, we cannot do the battle, but we will do the treaty with you and we will pay jizya, and it was like 2,000 pairs of clothes every year we will pay, and accepted the superiority of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Muslims, and they left the Medina and went back to Najran. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran and open our chest for the truth. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.